Firstly, heat the preform to its predetermined shape. The formed bottle leaves the machine and enters the next stage. Bottles are filled in the machine. Then leave the machine and the bottle will automatically close the lid. After covering, enter the labeling mechanism. Using a roller, depending on the type of labeling machine. The bottles are sorted and packed in the arrangement mechanism. Finally, enter the pressure box mechanism. The top pressure plate descends to ensure a tight seal of the card box.